Automation packs with
even coating.
every seal checked. Each pack weighed where every kernel's journey begins. Pure corn enters the system. From field to first filter. A raw harvest flows inside. Precision cleaning starts right here. Sorting begins at micro level. Clean grain moves forward now. Safety begins with metal removal. Every impurity removed with accuracy. Only premium kernels move onward.
Every impurity removed with accuracy. Heating oil prepares the heart. Premium grade kernel separation.
Heat awakens perfect popping power. Automation ensures perfect batch control. Pressure builds for transformation.
Raw kernels turn to crisp gold.
Heat shapes every single piece.
Transformation in pure slow motion.
Fresh popcorn floods the line. Millions of pieces move onward. Cooling locks perfect crispness. Flavors get ready for coating. Each blend crafted with care. Flavor coats every fresh piece.
Even coating through smooth motion.
Every batch checked for balance.
Air removes every hard kernel. Safety scan confirms purity now. Packaging film enters formation. Every detail printed with precision.
Pouches form and fill instantly.
Heat seals freshness tightly in. Each pack weighed with accuracy. Perfect measurement in every drop. Every seal checked in detail. Freshness protected with nitrogen. Codes mark time and safety. Automation packs with precision. Boxes sealed for dispatching.
Robots stack with perfect rhythm. Pallets move to final storage.
Ready for delivery worldwide. Quality clear on every box. Final form looks premium fresh. Every design detail stands out. Crisp texture defines the taste, a symbol of crafted quality. The journey meets perfection. From raw to refined brilliance.